this is Joey.
What's up guys, I'm Terry.
Welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna review some of the tripods we have.
And this is first one.
It's called a
Here.
Cube 3000.
Yeah, but I'm sure that you can't buy this now.
Really?
I'm almost sure that.
Okay.
My sister bought it
Yeah.
7 or 8 years ago.
It was about $20, I think. back
Yes.
then. It's very light.
Yeah, so light.
I think it's made of aluminum, so I don't think we can expect much from it in terms of durability. It bends a little.
Oh,
Okay, the locks are very stiff. One thing I really like about it is that there are tripod water levels.
2 levels here.
Despite some of the drawbacks, it's still very useful, especially when we go outside because it's super light.
Yeah.
When outdoors, the lighter the better. I think this kind of a budget tripod is enough for YouTubers who just began their channel.
The next one is this Horusbennu TM5S. This is not on Amazon.
It's not on Amazon?
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe.
What?
Maybe. Yes.
Maybe? You sure or not?
I'm sure.
Then why
At
do
the
you say
time,
maybe?
at the time there isn't.
Oh, at that time
there wasn't.
Okay.
But I'm not sure the Horusbennu
Is
sell
on
now.
Horusbennu is a Korean firm. As it says, some of the products are on Amazon. Maybe some of you might have heard of it. In Korea, it's very well known for being cost effective.
Yes.
Yeah, and we have more products from Horusbennu and we like them all.
This is cheap. This is
$40.
how much? Yes. Just
$40,
$40.
a little more, but around $40.
And this one is $180.
Okay.
Over 4 times.
We wanted to have close-up shots
Yes.
of the objects we were filming because when you use a tall tripod, then the table or the table leg might be on your way. We bought this that can be placed on the table and that can have close-up shots very, very easily.
Yes.
What are you doing?
I want to shoot close-up shot. This is ball head. Wait.
You can buy the head and the tripod together or you can just buy the tripod itself. But we bought them together because we wanted to adjust the camera angles. Without the head, we can only adjust the height of the tripod or the direction. That's it. Investing in your head is actually a pretty good idea. Most of the screws for the head is 3/8 inch.
Yeah.
And most of the screws for the cameras are 1/4 inches.
Yes. This is 1/4 inch and this is 3/8 inch.
1/4 is 2/8 inch.
Yeah.
And instead of having one head for all the tripods, having a head for each tripod is even better. It's so annoying when you have to put it back on and take it
Every
out
single
again every
tripod.
single time. So we actually have head for every tripod. We have the most expensive, a very good head for our most expensive tripod. And we have budget heads for cheaper tripods.
Yes.
Yeah. It's a twist lock. Sometimes it can be a little annoying.
Yeah.
Let me show you how it works first.
Okay.
There are 4 levels. The more I twist, the more levels I get. Let me try one. This
One.
way. And I get one step like this. Another. Third. Fourth. This is the maximum. And if I twist back,
Okay.
it'll lock. So I can just adjust the length like this. It's very easy.
At first you see this, it seems so convenient.
It is actually very convenient.
Yeah.
Except that you need to count the twists all the time. If you want to have a 3-level,
But
like,
you're good at math, right?
it's
We are good at. Yeah.
Okay.
Because we are Korean.
okay. I'm not good at math.
Asian. Yeah.
Anyway, I can just count. Let's say 3 levels. So 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
1, 2, 3.
Wow. Incredible.
So if you count every time, it's gonna be very easy. But if you're in a rush, then you might be, not counting very well, and it
She's
might
not
not
good
work.
at math. Yeah.
Anyway, it's very convenient when we're adjusting by one step. But there's a problem. It can get a little tricky. Say I want to have a length until here. Then I need to measure with my eyes like that. So I'm setting a length in between the joints, in between the levels. I'm just doing
Actually,
it by looking
there is
at
a
it.
skill. There is a trick. This tripod, film lock, we can adjust this one and lock. And we can 말해줘.
He can set a length with one leg, and then he can unlock the other two and set it on the floor.
Okay.
If they're all together, you can set the length
Lock.
equally, and then lock. Yeah, same height.
Same height.
It's super convenient to
But
adjust.
this skill is not.
It's not applicable.
I will show you. Let's adjust just one leg. Hold. Here.
Just do it.
Okay, do it. Sorry. Hold. On the floor, this is a little hard because when you twist this,
The height changes a little.
yes, the
Okay,
height.
it doesn't stay still
Yeah.
because it's not a
What?
flip lock.
Yeah.
So that might be a problem of a twist lock then.
Almost same, but it's hard.
It's still good, I think. It's still
Yes.
okay. Right.
Whenever you lock this twist, sometimes you'll get frustrated.
Why?
Less than one level, it's hard, and sometimes we forget the level.
Yeah.
Two or three, two. Oh, yeah.
Okay, anyway, we still think this is very nice. It's super convenient. We just showed you some of the drawbacks we could think of. But it's a good tripod. We like it. Yet, I said we place it on the table, right? On the desk.
Yeah.
And when we're shooting, we mistakenly touch the table. So while we're filming, the footage shakes. And we don't want that. I mean, it's kind of obvious because we put it on the table, right?
Yeah. So we want another one.
We bought another tripod that can be placed on the floor.
Okay,
But-
not on the desk.
Yeah, but that also enables us close-up shots very easily.
So this is the one 290 Dual from Manfrotto. This is the most expensive tripod we have.
Yeah, it is.
$180.
Yes.
And this is video head. $40.
90.
90 bucks?
Yeah.
Yes, 90 bucks. And including all this is 270 bucks.
This one has two versions, a twist lock and a flip lock. And this one is a flip lock.
Flip-lock.
What is the name of the twist lock?
The name is 190 Go.
At the time we bought it, it was very hard to decide. A YouTuber that Terry likes,
Yeah, I like.
she was using Manfrotto, but she was using a twist lock version.
Yeah, same model except this lock.
And she recommended a flip lock because she hated her twist lock version. She said it was so annoying. That's why we went for the flip lock.
She bought a twist lock version.
Yeah, I said that.
Sorry.
And we bought a flip lock, and Terry thinks it was such a good decision to go for the flip lock, right?
Yeah. But at the time we had this one, and this is twist lock, and I liked it. I don't know why she didn't like it.
Oh, even though you didn't know why a twist lock was bad, you just went for the flip lock because she said flip lock is better?
Yeah, she says flip lock is better, so at that time I had to find it. Why this is
Oh, you had
better.
to figure out why flip lock was better?
Yes.
Did you find the reason?
Yes, I found it because. But I said before. You said before, right? This is hard to control. Only.
Yeah, as we said before, could be annoying sometimes, and that's why we bought the flip lock.
Yes, and I don't regret it.
Actually, I'm okay with the flip lock, except that it's very stiff and my hand hurt a little. But Terry's fine with that, right?
Yeah, I like it. Hold, unlock and lock. Oh,
Okay,
one
we
more
know.
time.
Yeah.
Unlock and lock.
Okay, stop.
Okay. Anyway,
the biggest difference between the first tripod we introduced and this one, this Manfrotto, is that
it's heavy.
no, except is that this one allows a bird's eye view.
Yeah.
You know what bird's eye view is?
I told you. In Korean, there is airplane view.
Okay, good. And with this tripod, it's so easy to have a bird's eye view. If you unlock this one, you can pull it upward. If you press a button underneath, you can turn it like that. There will be your camera just looking down below. Would you look at that? It's amazing. You can also adjust like that. Adjust the direction. We tried to do the bird's eye view with other tripods, other cheaper tripods, and it was so difficult to get one. But with this one, it's super easy. It's amazing. I think due to stability issues for supporting various shooting angles, this one is very heavy. And since it's very heavy, we never take it outdoors.
Yes. Here is summer, so it's so hot. We can shoot out there.
Right.
Yeah.
So we never go outside anyway.
Up there, there's air conditioner.
Okay.
So we are so cool.
Unnecessary information.
Yeah, okay.
We also bought this video head here. So this is the original tripod, and this one is a video head that you can mount on the tripod. And this video head allows panning and tilting.
Yeah.
Tilting
Tilt.
up and down.
To up is tilt, and to down is
Okay, shut
ting.
up.
Tilting.
Anyway,
It moves smoothly,
right.
like this. Wow. This is panning.
So our last tripod is this Joby Gorillapod.
Yeah.
It was also around 40 bucks, right?
This is board head too. Every tripod we have has a board head.
Many vloggers use this because it can be used as a monopod for cameras. Very easy to handle,
Yeah.
especially outdoors.
It's easy to control the angle.
Right. But be careful because since it's very popular, there are many copies, and the fake ones have very weak joints.
Yes,
And-
so weak. So many
Oh,
fake Joby
okay.
Gorillapod. It can hold the
Yeah, it can hold up to 1 kilogram, and we're fine with that because our camera, the Canon-m 50,
Yes.
in addition to the microphone, they don't exceed 1 kilogram. So we're
just
good.
maybe 700 kilogram.
700 kilogram, that's a lot.
Wow.
Anyway, so we're good with this 1 kilogram kit. But if you have heavier gears, then you can consider 3 kilogram kit or even 5 kilogram kit.
Yeah.
So easy angle adjustment, great monopod for camera. It's vlogger angle. Good tripod.
Yeah, I like it, even if I don't use it.
Well,
You have
but I'm not sure.
because we bought it recently.
But I think it'll be great outdoors.
Did you use it?
No,
No? How can you know that?
I'm just.
Wow.
Why did you buy it then?
I don't know.
This was pretty much about the 4 tripods we had. We're gonna talk about 2 more things.
Okay, 2 more things.
Yeah, 2 more
One thing.
products that can be mounted on the tripod. One is this phone mount called a Glif.
Glif. I like it.
It was about $30.
Yeah.
And I found it much better than other phone mounts we had.
Yeah.
Let me show you phone mount that we used to have before. It's this. Actually, I got this from a selfie
Monopod.
monopod.
Yeah.
And this is how it works. You need to pull this top very hard to extend, and you just have to put your phone in it.
Like this.
Yeah, and you know it's simple, but I didn't like it very much because it was you have to apply quite a lot of force.
Yes.
And it was a little hard. Anyway,
But this one,
it's very easy. I can even pull out with one of my fingers.
this is hard.
Yeah, but this one is so easy. Place your phone like that and lock. It's a
lock.
flip lock. Just lock it. Yeah, lock is very easy as well, and it just holds the phone like that. And when you want to take it out, you just unlock the flip and bam.
And there's 3 holes.
Yeah,
He-
there are 3
here,
quarter-inch holes.
And here and here. I bought this one, shoe mount adapter. There's shoe mount on the Glif. And we can mount phone.
We can mount basically anything we want.
Okay, like this.
Yeah. So that's a very good product we have. The last thing we're gonna talk about, the next product is this one. It's also from Horusbennu.
Yeah.
Universal Dovetail. I'll put the name down below. This one is great when we want to mount 2 cameras at once.
Yeah. So there is a hole to connect the
Tripod.
tripod. Oh.
Careful.
Oh. Oh. So we can mount 2 phones or 1 camera and 1 audio mic
This is great when we're having something like, let's say, Galaxy versus iPhone camera review.
test.
Camera test. Two devices filming the same footage. And if you don't have any shoe mount on your camera, then you can also put an external monitor or an external microphone next to your camera like that. That's all we've got for tripods and two more products that can be mounted on the tripod. I hope you enjoyed watching this video.
Have a nice day.
Please subscribe to check out more videos and give thumbs up if you liked it. We're gonna try to come back with more entertaining videos.
Yes.
Hope to see you again.
Hope to see you again.
Bye. See ya.
See ya.